All right, so let's hide this. Sometimes when you're doing things in Blender and you're trying to select, things can backfire or get a little crazy, especially if you're dealing with fine detail. So, of course, first thing I did was got some items out of the way. Um, I've got this in edit mode. And, of course, when I just select singly without pushing anything on the keyboard, it just selects the particular thing, depending on the mode I'm in, that I selected. However, if I use my keys, if I'm holding down the Shift key, I can additively select items or unselect items. If I'm holding down the Control key, same thing applies. However, when I do that, it gets rid of things. Also, I have the ability to fill in all the gaps between the point that I previously clicked and the point I'm clicking on now. The only caveat there is that sometimes it will do something you don't expect because it's always trying to take the shortest path. So in this particular case, there's some very small faces here, of which there are only a couple. So rather than going across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like a dozen faces, it grabbed just like two or whatever. So let me just back up there and continue with what I was doing. Oops. So, as you can see, it gets very easy to misclick and make mistakes. So you got to really watch what you're doing. But that's really all it requires is a little bit of time and patience. Okay. And I'm going to just go ahead and do what I was intending on doing with this, which was to extrude it and scale it a bit. And I'm going to